Explaining display settings in eShare. eShare Pro comes pre-installed on the IWB. Tap the icon to open the app. When you open the app, you'll see the following screen. You can access the settings from this screen by tapping on Settings. In the settings, you can change the displayed device name. You can also set the maximum number of devices that can connect to the IWB and share the screen. If you want to use Miracast or AirPlay, you can enable those options here. Next, you can access the Moderator Control Center from this menu. This allows you to set the function usage range for connected devices. Connected devices are displayed here, and you can enable TV Mirror for client devices. If this button has a small green tick, it means the IWB can be controlled from that device. This feature invites client devices to share their screens. When sharing, options such as touchback, mute, full screen, keyboard, and close are available. The number of connections is displayed, and you can click to open the Moderator Control Center. Display Group Settings allows other IWBs on the same local network to function as multiple large displays. AirPlay, Miracast, and Chromecast are available as well. The user guide provides instructions on how to connect.